think he's going to be coming out here for this race. Maybe something's going on with his car. Hopefully he'll get it figured out by the feature. Lights on the pace truck are off. And David Russell Jr. is going to bring our fast heat around as they're going to pick up speed. Here they come, here they come, here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. And Todd Bridges tries to get a jump on David Russell in the early going. Kelly Eving's going to go with him. Kyle Stark's going to make it 3 wide, changes his mind. David Russell still hanging on that inside as Todd Bridges is going to bring him around. Kelly Eving looking to challenge for the lead now in that 98. 98, your fast timer. Kyle Stark creeping in there in that Nissan, the only Nissan on the track. So we got Ford, 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 and Nissan. And the Nissan is going to push the Ford Mustang. As we've got a great battle between Eving and Bridges. Stark giving Eving a push. Looks like Bridges went a little high on the outside. Let's see what Stark does. He's got a fast little Nissan. And that 192 car looking to challenge for the lead. Stark looking to the inside of Eving. Stark's got that skull and crossbones on that car. Pretty interesting, like a pirate. So it's Eving to lead us around this time. Stark giving him a push again. Whoa, they make contact. It's Eving barely hanging on to Stark here. We got 6 in, 2 to go. This is anybody's race between Eving and Stark as the rest of the cars have kind of fell off from the 2 leaders. David Russell trying to reel in Todd Bridges. Bridges back there with a new clutch in that 29 car. Glad to be back here. I don't know who's going to win Rockford Speedway. Is it going to be Eving or Stark? Stark looking to the inside. They make contact again. Here comes Stark on the inside of Eving. Oh, they got into each other. Here we go. It's going to be Eving to hang on to win, followed by Stark. And it's going to be Todd Bridges holding off David Russell, followed by Amanda Bone. Wow. That was a great race, Rockford Speedway. We're definitely going to be excited for the feature tonight after seeing that battle between Kelly Eving and Kyle Stark. Kelly Eving pulling it into the track there. Wow, what a race. What a race. That's all I'll say. Pulling in out of McChesney Park, Illinois in that 2005 Mustang. This is your 2015 National Short Track Championship. He won the championship in 2015 for the American Short Trackers. Sponsored by Retool, Neighbors Bar and Grill. Don Dewich. As he's going to get out of the car here in at 98. Changed his color. Last year it was a black, number 98. This year it's a dark blue, number 98. Here he is. Make some noise, Rockford Speedway. It's Kelly Eving.